Well, today's December 22nd, 2013. 3 days, yeah, 3 days before Christmas, and yeah, we got a ice storm. Last time I saw an ice storm was almost 16 years ago, so I mean, it's been quite a while. I was only 6 when I first saw my first ice storm, but it's pretty thick. I mean, it's thick enough to. Here's my porch. There's a pretty good coating, so I'm actually going to try going down these stairs, which are practically an ice rink. If I fall, oh well. So yeah, this is what it looks like now. I'm gonna go over to my dad's car and check his car out. God, please don't let me fall. Baby steps, baby steps, baby